नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटिया। दिस इज JBN Dr. Vishal Saxena, Associate Professor in Mathematics in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the module Quadratic Equation. This module is a part of the course Elementary Mathematics running in the various courses of the university. So first we define the quadratic equation. Quadratic equations are the polynomial equations of degree 2 in one variable of type fx equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a comma b comma c belongs to R and a is not equal to 0. It is the general form of a quadratic equation where a is called the leading coefficient and c is called the absolute term of fx. The values of x satisfying the quadratic equation are the roots of the quadratic equation alpha comma beta. The quadratic equation will always have two roots. The nature of roots may be either real or the imaginary. A quadratic polynomial, when equated to 0, becomes a quadratic equation. The values of x satisfying the equation are called the roots of the quadratic equation. General form: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and examples are 3x square plus x plus 5 is equal to 0. Next, minus x square plus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0, and x square plus x is equal to 0 is also an example of a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation formula. The solution or the roots of a quadratic equation are given by the quadratic formula, and this formula is known as the standard formula to find the values of the roots or the solution of a quadratic equation. So this formula is given by alpha comma beta is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is called the standard formula of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and this is to find the values of the roots of the equation. Roots of the quadratic equation. The values of variables satisfying the given quadratic equation are called its roots. In other words, x equal to a is the root of the quadratic equation fx if fa is equal to 0. The real roots of an equation fx equal to 0 are the x coordinates of the points where the curve y is equal to fx intersect the x-axis. One of the roots of the quadratic equation is 0 and the other is b upon a if c is equal to 0. Both the roots are 0 if b is equal to c is equal to 0. The roots are the reciprocal to each other if a is equal to c. So these are the various conditions of the roots of the quadratic equation, and the roots of the quadratic equation are given by or can be calculated by the mid-term splitting method or by the perfect square method here or by the standard formula. So like we have the equation x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So what are the roots of this equation? First, we can see this equation can be written as x plus 2 whole square equal to 0. X plus 2 whole square is equal to 0. So when we put x plus 2 whole square equal to 0, and the roots of the equation are x plus 2 equal to 0 and x plus 2 equal to 0. That means x equal to minus 2 and minus 2, two roots are existing there, minus 2 and minus 2. Now what is determinant? The term b square minus 4ac in the quadratic formula is known as the determinant of a quadratic equation. This determinant of a quadratic equation reveals the nature of roots. So the term b square minus 4ac in the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This term b square minus 4ac is known as the discriminant and it decides the nature of the roots for the quadratic equation. This session is covered by Digital Version 2, Jayashree Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope all you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve your doubts and problems. With this, I conclude today's session. Thank you.